Okay class, today we are going to write 21 pages of essay about your favorite Tamagotchi. Poison sis. Was that you just burped?
No. Okay, I burped.
That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
So Poison Sis, why are you here?
I burped in class.
Poison Sis, how dare you burp in class and now at me? You know that is disgusting. You are hereby suspended for 7 days. Go home now.
Poison Sis. How dare you burp in class? In front of the principal. Poison Sis. How dare you burp at us now? That's it. You are grounded for 4 days.
Now go upstairs to your room now. Or else we will send you to Lithuania.